soil is an important factor for plant growth. There are two factors that will determine the plant growth and development, one biotic and abiotic factors. This is one of the major abiotic factor, soil, water, and again plant growth is mainly depending upon the quality of the soil, like porosity of the soil and water holding capacity. Main sources of water for plant growth come from rainwater or irrigation, through irrigation, but 50% of the water will percolate through because of gravitational force. So, whatever water retained in the soil is important for plant growth. So, different types of soil will have different capacities of water holding. So, that is our aim of experiment is to show which soil is suitable for plant growth. Obviously, the soil which can hold maximum amount of water in it, which can retain the maximum amount of water is suitable for plant growth. Okay. So, this experiment we are taking two types of soils, one is garden soil and second one is roadside soil. Garden soil, we are taking equal amount of soils of these two samples, garden and roadside, 25 grams, pouring equal amount of water into two cylinders. After some time the water will be collected in measuring cylinders. So, by seeing how much water is being retained in the soil and how much water is being collected in the measuring cylinder will give you a correct picture of the water holding capacity of different soils. So, let us perform the experiment. We are taking two soil samples of equal weight. Yeah, I am taking 25 grams of roadside soil, the help of spoon. Yeah, 25 grams of roadside soil, I am keeping it aside. Then I am taking 25 grams of garden soil also, approximately. Yeah. Now, I am going to prepare a funnel, filter paper, say I am taking like this, folding like this, 4 folds. You have to prepare funnel like this, then this should be dipped in water so that it will stick to the funnel, filter paper. Yeah, like this. One more funnel I am preparing, fold like this, first fold, after that like this again. So, this is funnel now, dip in water so that it will stick to the walls of funnel. Now, I am pouring soil, garden soil into this funnel carefully, and roadside soil also I am putting into this funnel. Now, equal amount of water, that is 50 ml of water, I have taken, and I am pouring 50 ml of water, equal amount of water into these two cylinders. Again 50 ml into second cylinder also. After 10 to 15 minutes, water will be collected in measuring cylinder, both the cylinders. Then we can find the difference, which cylinder has more water, which cylinder has less water in it. So, that will show the water holding capacity of the soil. Now, let us see the water, amount of water being collected in both the cylinders. The first cylinder, which is having garden soil, has 30 ml of water in it, whereas the cylinder which is having roadside soil has more water in it, that is 40 ml. That means garden soil has the capacity to hold water. This is because of the porosity of the soil. Here soil molecules, there is no space in between because of the humus present in it, whereas in roadside soil, soil particle size is more and intersoil spaces are also more. So, it is a water, whatever water you are giving, it is percolating through. So, that is the reason of water holding capacity of the garden soil. Let us start. Yeah, I am taking solution soil sample or soil solution from the first cylinder, first measuring cylinder. So, I am going to test the pH of this garden soil solution by adding 1 drop of pH indicator, or with the help of pH paper also you can do it, and this is the immediate one. Yeah, I have added only 1 drop of pH indicator to the test tube, and let us see the pH of garden soil. It is coming around 4, slightly acidic in nature. Next, let us do the same test for roadside soil also. I am taking roadside soil solution, then test the pH with the help of indicator. Just I am adding 1 drop of pH indicator to the test tube, shake it. Now, find out the pH. This is coming around 7, slightly neutral. So, again the acidic nature of the soil sample is because of organic matter present in it. That is the conclusion. As we have done the experiment with the help of measuring cylinders and 2 types of soil we have taken, after that let us see the observations, whatever happened. These are the results. Garden soil, 25 grams of soil we have taken and 50 ml of water is being poured. Volume of water collected here 30. So, volume of water retained in soil, we will get the volume of water which is being retained in the soil, that means water holding capacity will be known here. 50 minus 30, that is y minus z divided by x. This is the weight of the soil, initial weight of the soil we have taken. We are getting 80% of water holding capacity for garden soil, which is a good one. So, this soil is best for plant growth because this is holding more water. Now, coming to the second soil, roadside soil, here also we are taking same amount and same amount of water is being poured, but volume of water collected in measuring cylinder, here it is 40 ml. That means more water is being collected, that means soil is not holding much water. Here soil is holding more water here. So, volume of water retained in soil, same thing here also, y minus z by initial weight of soil 25, here we are getting 40%. This is comparatively lesser than garden soil. So, this is not good for plant growth. So, Viva question will be, why water holding capacity is more in garden soil compared to roadside soil? Because of organic matter or humus present in garden soil, that will help the soil to hold more water. So, this is the best soil, hence it is proven now.